Let's rank the top 20 in this incredible comparison. At number 15, Switzerland. Already impressive, but nothing compared to what's coming. Number 10, United Kingdom. Getting into serious territory now. Taiwan at number 5. The competition at this level is fierce. Number 3, Turkey. So close to the top, yet so far. And number 1, Italy. Dominating this ranking by a massive margin. Those are the rankings. Subscribe for more comparisons.